Okay, so welcome to Franco's experiments. So today's experiment will be a volcano. We need color, we need citric acid, baking soda, and corn starch, and a spoon, and safety glasses, so safety first. And now, so you need to add a little bit of water right here where it is so it doesn't spill out when you mix it. So, first ingredient we need is corn starch. And now mix it. And now second ingredient you need is citric acid. That's the second one you need. And now you need the red color. 4 drops of it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done. And now you only need to grab your spoon and mix it. There. And now you just need to add 1 scoop with your spoon of baking soda, and then the eruption will start. Get everything out of the way. That was today's experiment. I see you in the next episode of Franco's experiments. Goodbye.